Good afternoon, amigos, from
Puerto Vallarta.
That is right. We are back to our roots, back where it all started in Vallarta.
Salty air. We just got checked into our new place for a week. More on that coming soon. But what is the first thing anyone should do after arriving in Vallarta?
We'll show you.
For a margarita on the beach.
Wait, what is that?
Well, we planned ahead and we have a margarita coming later today. So for now, saludos to Coke Zeros.
Coca Light. Yo quiero dos Coca Lights, porfa. If any of you are wondering why in the world the Kinetic Kennons keep coming back to Puerto Vallarta, is this not enough of an answer? It is absolutely beautiful out here. And Vallarta is in full high season mode right now. It is busy out here on this beautiful Sunday evening, afternoon. Everything tastes better on the beach. It's a proven fact.
It's a little extra salt. Nothing like it.
Well, we really could sit out there and watch the waves roll in all day, and I'm sure we will do that here one of these days. But it is taco time here in Puerto Vallarta. But first, we're gonna give you a quick glimpse into our nice apartment.
Sweet accommodations.
Located just a block from Playa Los Muertos, or the main pier at Playa Los Muertos in Old Town, Vallarta, the romantic zone, Vallarta, Zona Romantica. We are staying in Selva Romantica, the romantic jungle. We'll show you around, but I want to say, I want you all to appreciate this because we've been vlogging now for about 2 years, and we almost never, ever do home tour, apartment tour things. So this is a
your lucky day.
Somewhat of a first for us. For the sake of everybody's privacy, because there's a lot of people at the pool right now, we won't show too much of the pool. You have to tune in the next few videos to see that, because we will be spending a lot of time here. But it has a nice, very large pool with an amazing view of the ocean and the town. I mean, I love Vallarta, I love the beach, I love the town, but there's really no reason to leave.
Amigos, welcome home. We have partnered with PVRPV this week for our not so humble abode in the Selva Romantica building. Now we are in the Paraíso building. This is a studio, about 47 square meters or 470 square feet, but they've made great use of the space. Take a step into our bedroom first. Might I add, the decorations in here on point. This is our living room with a small screen TV. We want to catch some March Madness. Full bathroom in here. And for all you suckers who cook on vacation, it is a fully stocked, fully ready to use kitchen. Now, PVRPV can help you plan your entire vacation. They have pickup options straight from the airport. They have tons of beautiful properties in great locations all across Vallarta. They can also help you list your property if you're looking to rent it out. A special thanks to PVRPV. We can't wait to enjoy this space.
Oh, while staying at the apartment at the pool sound like a good idea. One of us is getting hangry.
I'm beyond hangry.
Which means
tacos, tacos, tacos. Y margaritas.
I always think it's funny when words are the same in English as in Spanish, like
Como taco.
como tacos, but they're not pronounced how you would think. Like in English, we
Taco Bell.
Hey man, you want to go to Taco Bell? I can't even say. Then I can't say Bell. Like,
Bell.
how do gringos say tacos?
Taco.
Tacos.
What do you want a taco
I
about?
want some tacos. It's like Forrest Gump.
Yeah. Same.
I must eat me about 15 tacos. Well, the Kinetic curse started in Puerto Vallarta, and apparently it's still a thing. We're going to Pancho's Tacos, and I thought they were closed on like Monday or Tuesday, not Sunday.
But today is the day of rest.
But that's okay because we are in paradise and we already have a
In the land of
plan B.
tacos, we have like 7 places lined up for tacos. Taco.
We're not going to a taco place, are we?
I don't know if they have tacos. They have atole.
Are they?
It's 90, but atole.
Walking through Vallarta gives me so many flashbacks, so many memories.
I think people nowadays say all the feels.
All the feels?
Yeah.
That's what people are saying these days?
Yeah, like it gives me all the good feelings.
What are people saying in Espanol, amigos? Like the time our gas line caught on fire. I came home, there's sparks spitting out. We heard something earlier in the day, then Hillary heard it again. I walked in there, there's sparks coming out of the wall. There's a fire coming off the hose. Oh man, and they only speak Spanish. I don't speak that much Spanish. Okay, well, some real fire guys showed up. Never been happier to see a fire truck. That escalated quickly. Okay, well, they got the fire put out.
Oh, all the feels.
When you jumped from the pier that one time. 3, 2, 1, go. We decided it was a good idea to have a margarita tasting tour, and we went to like 4 or 5 different places and with
It's
you.
like a 9, but the tequila is like a 10.
She's feeling the marg already. Because they just gave us each a free shot. That's what I said when
All right, I okay?
That's
It's really sweet.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good margarita. Got the last margarita here. How you feeling about this one?
I feel pretty good.
I mean, there's so many more. We lived here for like a year. Saw turtles right here on this beach once.
Yeah.
We house sat at like this crazy, super nice building once. Dile hola. We're on the beautiful Puerto Vallarta Malecon. We'll give you some views of that, of course, but if our plan B restaurant doesn't work out, I might, I don't know.
We're gonna have something to talk about.
No, we're just gonna go straight to Devil's Bar and get margaritas. We're gonna skip food and just get margaritas and... luckily for me, El Campinario was open.
Thank goodness.
This is one of the best bar and restaurants in the city. Perfect location, right off the Malecon, right by the main church.
Yep, got some delicious frescas. I think this is only 14 pesos. We're already really sweaty and a little hangry. We're hanging in there.
They should fill me up and hold me over for an hour or two. Now we are properly fueled to sit on our butts and watch the sunset. Like complete rookies, we missed the sunset. What the heck? We're like 10 minutes too late. I was trying to get the lady's attention to get the check. Ponchos is closed.
Pull a full Mexican.
Had to yell, señorita.
Señorita, across the entire restaurant.
You gotta do what you gotta do. But luckily, like Hillary alluded to earlier, there's always something going on here in Vallarta. Whether it's dancing, some little show going on by Los Arcos, and lots of street food coming up here. Let's see if we can find some mangos. Mangoes are just better in Vallarta. It's a fact. True fact.
True fact.
The lady asked me the most ridiculous question ever.
Yeah, I thought so too.
You know what she asked me about?
Yeah, I heard.
She asked if I wanted salsa on my mangoes.
Why would anyone ever ask that?
I said, mira, señorita. Yo tengo solo una regla en mi vida.
Good.
Siempre con todo.
Pues sí.
There's something about Vallarta that makes us feel at home. I have no idea what it could possibly be.
No idea.
I'm not sure. I will admit that as good as the tostadas were, they did not fill me up, but after like
32 ounces.
3 liters of liquid, I am
Feeling good.
No, I'm not feeling good. I am not. But I will say, this is about the best possible way to end an evening.
Every evening.
Every evening.
Every time.
Every evening.